In a world filled with endless possibilities and boundless opportunities, comes a moment when planning becomes a daunting task. Introducing the ILN app, your gateway to supercharge your planning skills. The ILN app is not another planner. It's your secret weapon to staying ahead in today's fast-paced world. Seamlessly integrated with cutting-edge technology, the ILN app empowers you to unleash your full potential. Smart reminders keep you on track, ensuring you'll never miss a beat. Collaborate with ease, whether you're working with a team or tracking projects solo. Watch as your productivity soars and you conquer new horizons. The ILN app versus conventional planners. The choice is clear. Why settle for less when you can have more? Take charge of your life, achieve your dreams, and unlock your true potential with the ILN app. Supercharge your planning skills today. Download the ILN app and take the first step towards a bright future. The ILN app, your gateway to supercharge your planning skills.